I've got the Gladiator SEX 10.3 out here. Gonna run this crag clamber trail. Yes, I'm dealing with it out here maybe. Done a little bit more work for the play part. We're gonna see if this thing will actually do what I'm hoping it'll do. Little off camber downhill right there, throw you right into that rock. You gotta watch what you're doing with it. Let's see what I got here. Down inside the crag clamber trail. Get back up on that rock. Come on, baby. Back up there. Oh yeah. That is total wind up. Yeah, I got a safety net rock right back there. Just to help carry it. Onward and upward. Here we go. Oh yeah, there she got coming. It got some traction. Now I'm through the doggone bridge. Doggone bridge. Dog, pick up. We turned this house into a bridge. Doggone bridge. Yes. I'm gonna mosey on over here to the new torque teeter. Mind you, this torque teeter 79 inches front to from rear to front. It's good size. There's quick. I'm running stock wheels and tires here, so. Oh yeah, that diffuser panel back there, it has very little traction. So, but I wanted it back there so we could see the lights with it. We're gonna see if this old Gladiator will do this. I ain't got no weight in this thing either, so I don't know. This is running stock setup, wheel tires and all. I have not taken it apart. Do anything with it. Alright. See if we can hit the big motion. Okay. Yeah, she got up there. Alright, now that I'm up there, let's see what I can do about achieving this newer obstacle that I just got set up today. I think I'm going to have to try to back up this part of it. I don't know, am I going to have room? It's going to be close. Ready to see what's going on. We're big there. Look around here. Not too sure if I'm going to call this the rift. And that back tire was cold. Because this little bridge right here, made out of a couple of ATV tires and some machinery debelting that was on an old air compressor, humongous old air compressor. And I was able to recycle it to make this obstacle with. So, of course, those ATV tires and wheels, you can see, they're no good. That's wobbled out big time. It's not slotted from the factory like that. Anyways, we're up on that part of it. See what we can do about coming across this thing. I have washed it off with the hose. I was kind of hoping it would be dried up by now. But it's not, so I'm still playing with muddy area. We'll see what happens. Like you can make them good shape. I did hand to God that from that bridge point right there to this rock because I didn't want my tires to get all mudded up because I've got to take this back in the house immediately and probably do this video. So we're gonna come around this way with it. Yeah, this is strip mine rock out here. Kind of what we named it anyway. Well, strip mine rock's got me in a bind. Wanted to crawl it. I think where I washed everything off earlier, it kind of didn't want to crawl it, did it? As you can see, this part of it, I've raised this rock up. It used to be one large rock slab, and it got broken in half. But we're making pretty good features with it, I do believe. I need to do a little bit of build up on this corner right over here. And that way maybe we can achieve a climb up spot right there. Underneath, of course, is going to be for 124th and 118th. So, yes sir, I'm kind of liking it. It's all turning out pretty good. A little RMX RC Play Park. Hashtag RMX RC Play Park. That's what it's all about for me. It's just a fun thing for me to do. Here at the house, hey guys, I appreciate you watching. Yeah, you get to see my pretty ugly face today. That's my play park main rock slab that was blessed to me by the Lord in my yard. It's pretty decent place just to test them and try them, see how they're gonna work and stuff. But I've been trying to build up on them some too. There's my torque teeter, gladiator up there on strip mine rock. Anyways, I appreciate you guys. Hey, if you're new to the channel, please click that like and subscribe button on this video. I appreciate it, I really do. I'm still trying to achieve that 1,000 mark before 2024. Don't know why, but I know they're wanting a lot of views too, which I don't think I'll ever get monetized because of that. But I appreciate the ones that do watch my videos. I thank you very much. Making comments, I love trying to reply to comments and stuff. It's really good, really fun. Anyways, play park's coming together.